It is 4 a.m. on November 15th. Open day at Michigan's firearm season. Slept good. Heater kept me warm all night. Percolator going for some hot coffee. Alright, I'm actually gonna lay back down, wait for this coffee to get done, and get out in the blind, hopefully by 5:15. Alright, just got to the blind, 5:26. Bumped a small buck and a couple young doe out of here, according to the sow cam. But the bigger ones are coming in a little after sunrise, so they've been in here. Well, my number one buck was in here last night at 4:40 in the evening. High hopes for today. Good luck, everyone. Brother Jarrett and my dad are hunting over at the farm. Good luck to them, and stay tuned. Hope I get some footage for you. It's 8:25. Had 4 big doe come through. No bucks following. I'm hopeful still. Lots of bucks in the area. Whew. We already have blood, and there's a blind. Which way did he go? Back on the blood. It's kind of tough tracking in this. It's been snowing really good. Holy crap, there he is. Oh my God. Wow, what a nice buck. Oh wow. Look at that. Holy moly. Opening day 6 point. Alright, he is all gutted out and hung, tagged on the buck pole. I have never shot a buck on opening day of firearm season here in Michigan. So far had an exciting morning. Had videotaped those 3 doe coming in. Came in from one end of the food plot, went to the other, and then those 3 were at one end of the food plot, and another, even a bigger doe came in. So I had 4 doe. They eventually went down into the swamp. I think they bedded for a little bit. So poured some coffee and had 2 more doe come up. Could have been the same ones. And then one walked off. And then a young one stayed around. She kept walking around, and then finished my coffee. And later when I put my cup back on my thermos, that 6-point came in. I'd say he's only 2.5 years old, but just has no brow tines, and so he was a good buck to shoot. I'm happy with him. But right after I shot, the snow got really, really heavy, and just kept coming down. So I'm like, oh, let's get out and start tracking. And it was so hard to find blood. I found blood right at the entrance of the food plot, and then where he ran right toward me. But then after that, I was literally on my hands and knees shaking ferns just to get the snow off, just so I could see blood. And after an hour, I literally almost gave up, but then I kept going back to where I saw last blood, and he was only 15-20 yards from there. He just hopped over all this this thick stuff where a tree fell over, and it's now 3:07. I've already been in the blind for a good 40 minutes. Well, it's Thursday, November 17th. Setting the line again. So far, nothing this morning. Got a brand new hunter.
So excited.
Took her hunter safety course.
When I was 12.
Oh, that long ago? Haven't been hunting yet, but you wanted to this year, so I brought you up to deer camp.
And I've seen nothing.
And we've seen nothing yet this morning.
Except for 2 squirrels.
2 squirrels. But we're staying warm. We have the heater. We got venison snack sticks.
They're really good.
Got hot coffee. So we're hopeful.
Well, I have
It's
good Kool-Aid jam. I can't. We can't go out there till she's dead.
I think she's dead.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I got it here. Are you sure?
I think she dropped.
She did.
Yes. Alright. Hell yeah. Bella is notching her first deer tag. We're gonna get this tag filled out and then
So you just start
go drag her and gut her.
Good.
All right, so November 17th, we got it done. Bella got it done. We almost had a shot at a 4-point, but it came to the very edge of the food plot and just stayed right behind a big brush pile. And then about half hour later, I hit the bleat can, and then Bella goes, "There's a deer."
And he didn't believe me.
I'm like, "Are you sure?"
She was right.
Yep. Then we saw one come in, soak around all the deadfall, and come into that same end of the food plot, and you put one hell of a shot on her. So, how do you feel? Super excited?
Super excited.
You got your first deer?
Very excited.
One of many, hopefully.
Hopefully.
You gonna go again?
Yeah, I want to go next weekend.
There you go. See if Uncle Jarrett can do that good. I doubt it, but.
So, alrighty.
Alrighty.
Time to go make some dinner.